Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Julia. Otherwise, welcome back to Makeup It Time with Julia. In today's video guys, oh my days, you have no idea how excited I am. We have a new release. For those of you who doesn't know, we have been doing this now for nearly 2 years, and to bring your memory back just a tiny little bit. And you can see some of them here. We have makeup brushes. This is our first luxury lashes. As you can see, this is style Jackie. We have 6 of these, and this is the vegan lash, and we have 5 of these. In total we have 11 different types. Okay, in today's video guys, the reason we are here today is to show you guys our new collection, Precise Eyebrow Pencil. We have 5 different shades. So this is our logo, our website, their numbers. This is number 1, for example. All the ingredients are all here. It's like hollow. If you turn it, isn't it beautiful? So when you open it, voila, it's Precise Eye Pen. You see that guys? See how precise. I don't know how many of these I have consumed. So yes, and on this side, when you open it, you have this pulley side, which you will use to brush your eyebrow, just like this. The first one I open is medium brown. Then the second one is soft brown. The third one is ebony, which is number 4. Then number 5, which is dark brown. Then number 6 is chocolate. So on our website, we're gonna put the number and the name on our website, so you will not make mistake. Start the video when I swatch them for you. The first shade, medium brown, soft brown, ebony, dark brown, and chocolate, which is the last shade. All these are all the 5 different shades you can choose from. As you can see, they are matte, doesn't budge. We didn't end there. Then we also came out with our very own liquid eyeliner. You guys know I love eyeliner. It's just jet black. This very one, all the ingredients are all here. And this eyeliner have a name, but she have a nickname. Her nickname is like a slogan I use all the time. I use a hashtag whenever I post on social media. I always use that slogan, like no makeup no game. When we were doing this process, I was like, I'm going to name this eyeliner no makeup no game. So her nickname from me to her is no makeup no game. Don't make mistake about this. Yes, she is. No makeup no game. Here's the eyeliner. You open it. Here's what you have here, guys. Shake it before you use it. And all these products, they are all cruelty free. if you look at here, you can see it's cruelty free. Okay, there you go. Let me just, you know, I don't like stuff for my skin, but I don't have choice now. Let me just try this for you. You see that, guys? Long lasting, waterproof. When you splash water on it, it doesn't budge. You have to use makeup remover or water and soap to remove it completely. Just ordinary water, it doesn't budge. So I am going to use this today. All this is going to be available on our website by Friday, while this video will be out on Sunday, because I usually post every Sunday. Of course, I cannot use all the shade for my eyes. I'm gonna try and use 2. So the shade I'm gonna use will be Ebony and medium brown. The reason being, I want to use Ebony because she's proper Ebony. So I'll use Ebony, you know, to fill my natural brow. The medium brown, I'll use that one to kind of fade the front bit. Guys, when you're gonna use it, please do not use it like this. Don't leave it too long, otherwise it will snap on you because they're very, very thin. So yes, like I usually do, I will just start from here. This is now like eyebrow tutorial for you guys. It doesn't turn into like oily and stuff like that, just because I've tried this before. Okay, this is the medium brown. Okay, it's exactly the same, but just lighter. So when it gets to this point, what I usually do is take this spoolie. I'll just kind of comb it, making it like seamless. That's how I do my eyebrow. The next step, of course, you're gonna clean it with concealer. So as you can see, this one and this one. This is 10 Hours Wear from Revolution concealer. There we go. If you want to make it even more seamless, you do a few of these if you want. This is optional. I have this from Revolution. What I usually do when I'm using any other brand, I will just, you know, use this to comb it further down. But with mine, you don't need it. It just arrived. With that excitement, I did exactly the same thing. I waited for a few hours, you know, as we taking pictures and everything for Instagram, for the promotion and everything. I quickly, you know, just do exactly the same thing. I waited and see if I would need the gel. But guys, you don't. Voila. So guys, I will just go and quickly, you know, do the other eye off camera. Then do the eye look I'm going for today, you know, for the promotion. The eyeliner, that is the final step, okay? So I'm just gonna use it. Makeup No Game long wear waterproof eyeliner. I went full force. My business page on Instagram is MIT Beauty J. That is my business page. If you want to follow my business page, I will be more than grateful. If you also want to follow me on my makeup page, and I also post, you know, my product on my makeup page because it's my page. I don't give it damn. I can post on anywhere I want. It's at Makeup It Time with Julia. So as you can see, either MIT or Makeup It Time is the name of the whole brand. With my makeup brushes, you watch my video using it. With my eyelashes, you watch me using all of them. One of the bad girls I have on. The eyeliner now, no makeup, no game, I have on. And I will continue using it. The eyebrow pencil, of course. Why not? I just want to thank you all. Just want to thank you for continuing to be there. Those who newly subscribed to me, thank you so much. Those who have been with me since over a year now, you see we're doing this slow growth. It's for me to learn. I'm growing slowly. It's for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on my very next video. Bye bye guys. Ta-ra.